Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so the phone or hotspot acts as the internet host. First, make sure the host supports Bluetooth tethering or the PAN profile and that mobile data is active. Then turn on Bluetooth on both devices and set the client to discoverable. Pair them now, accept any pairing codes. Once paired, you've completed the first actionable step. A secure Bluetooth link is established and ready for the tethering configuration that follows. Once paired, enable Bluetooth tethering on the host device, often found in tethering or hotspot settings, so the PAN profile advertises internet access. On the client, open the paired device's Bluetooth settings, choose the paired host, and enable use for internet or network access. Make sure the PAN or network access service shows connected. If the client prompts to confirm the connection or ask for permission, accept. After this configuration, you're at the finish line. Verify connectivity by loading a web page or checking the client's IP and gateway. These should reflect the host connection. If all is good, remember to turn off Bluetooth tethering when finished to save battery and data. Monitor carrier data caps so you don't incur extra charges. If something fails, restart Bluetooth on both devices and repair. Make sure the host's tethering option is actually enabled and that your carrier allows Bluetooth tethering. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.